Day 3. Still with mask. Everybody's been pretty good about doing the social distancing along these hikes, wearing their masks. We are at Snowlake trailhead. Apparently a nice lake is in Washington. I don't know much about it, but the group I'm with put it on the itinerary, so here we are. I love the sun beating through trees. But yeah, you can see I'm by myself again. Kind of took my time to get a little prep for this hike, stretching, getting my body in the condition it needs to be. And there's an extra meaning there, by the way. But I told them to get a jump start, so they're up there somewhere. I'll eventually meet them at the lake, but should be another good day. Obviously, I'm winded, even though it's gonna be a good day.
Deep inside, hidden in your mind, like you've always known. Believe your lies, angel in disguise, now you're just trying to crawl. You built castles in the sand, now it's slipping through your hands, and you're stuck right where you stand. Every shadow in the sun makes you think you have to run. Trust them. When the sky falls down, keep holding on to me. There's always time to build broken dreams. I need you to know. More than you know.
This is my last stop of the day. Woo! No more hiking on a Sunday, but look at this. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Yeah!
When you spread your wings, look down on everything and know where you started from. You built castles in the sand, now it's slipping through your hands, and you're stuck right where you stand. Every shadow in the sun makes you think you have to run. Trust them. When the sky falls down,